What if nothing in the universe is real until something looks at it? That sounds like science fiction, but it's actually what quantum physics tells us. Today on BoxClever, we're going on an 8-minute journey into the heart of reality. Does your awareness actually shape the world you live in? We begin with the experiment that changed everything. The double-slit experiment reveals the dual nature of our world. When unobserved, particles act like waves. They pass through both slits at once, interfering with themselves. But the moment we place a detector, an observer, to see which slit they choose, the wave collapses. Reality solidifies. This led Erwin Schrödinger to propose his famous cat paradox, a cat in a sealed box tied to a quantum event. A radioactive atom has a 50% chance of decaying and releasing a poison vial, but until it's measured, it hasn't chosen a state. Which means, mathematically, the cat is both alive and dead at the same time. It's in a state called superposition. The moment you open that box and look, you force the universe to make a choice. Observation creates the outcome. But some scientists disagree. They say the cat doesn't choose. Instead, the universe splits. One world where the cat lives and one where it doesn't. In this many worlds view, every observation creates a new branch of reality. There are infinite versions of you, living every possible life. Then there's entanglement. Two particles become so linked that what happens to one happens to the other, instantly, across any distance. Einstein called it spooky action. He hated it because it seemed to break the speed of light. But today, we know it's a fundamental truth. The 2022 Nobel Prize proved that our universe is not locally real. Things don't exist in a set state until they are measured. Quantum effects aren't just in labs. We're finding them in biology. Birds may use entanglement in their eyes to navigate the Earth's magnetic field. Plants use quantum coherence to move energy with nearly 100% efficiency. Life itself might be a quantum technology. Roger Penrose and Stuart Hameroff suggest our brains have tiny tubes called microtubules that host quantum computations. If they're right, consciousness isn't a byproduct of the brain, it's a quantum event that connects us to the fabric of the universe. But we still face the hard problem. We can see neurons firing, but why do we feel anything? Why is there an I inside? Panpsychism suggests consciousness isn't just in humans, it's everywhere. From rocks to stars, everything might have a tiny bit of awareness. Then there's Wigner's friend. If I watch the box, I see a result, but if you watch me, am I in a superposition until you look? This paradox suggests that there might not be one objective reality. Everyone might have their own quantum truth. In the world of AI, we build machines that mimic logic, but without these quantum effects, can an AI ever truly feel? If consciousness is quantum, our current computers might be dead ends. We may need quantum computers to build real minds. These golden chandeliers are the start. They use the same spooky effects we see in the lab to compute in ways we never thought possible. Maybe the universe isn't made of matter. Maybe it's made of information, and consciousness is the software that runs it. If we are all observers, are we creating the world together? Is our collective focus what keeps the universe stable? This means your focus is a superpower. What you give your attention to literally changes the probability of your world. You open the box every single day. Every choice, every look, every thought, you are collapsing the wave function of your life. You are not a passive observer. You are an active participant in the grand creation of the universe. At BoxClever, we believe these deep ideas should be for everyone, because understanding reality is the first step to shaping it. I want to hear from you. After all this, do you believe your consciousness makes the world real? Tell me in the comments. If you want more deep dives like this, hit subscribe. We have so many more boxes to open together. Thanks for watching. Keep observing, and I'll see you in the next one.